Welcome to my video about why starting an online business with our Vaycomatic app is a great opportunity for you. Are you tired of working for someone else and not being in control of your income? Are you looking for a way to create multiple income streams and have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world? Then keep watching because we have an amazing opportunity for you. The Vaycomatic app creates 100% done for you automated money-making flight deal sites, providing you with 5 income streams. This means that you don't have to worry about anything technical because our app does everything for you. Our app is beginner friendly, so you don't need any tech skills to start making money. With the Vaycomatic app, you can create multiple profitable flight deal sites that are updated hourly with over 550,000 flights. You will have access to fresh content and free traffic built in, making it easy for you to attract visitors to your site. The best part is that our site is automated with free daily traffic, so you don't have to spend time and money on advertising. And here's the kicker, you can start seeing results in as little as 24 hours. Imagine waking up to affiliate sales in your account every morning without doing any work. If you're worried about not being able to make your first affiliate sale, don't worry. We have a guarantee that you will make your first sale within 7 days, or we'll personally work with you until your site starts making sales. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to create multiple income streams, work from anywhere in the world, and have the freedom to be your own boss, then our app is the perfect opportunity for you. Don't miss out on this chance to start making money online today. Click the link below to get started, and we'll see you on the other side. Click the link below to get started with our app and start creating your own automated money-making flight deal sites today.